And this is the other side. Got all of Daniela, Marissa, Danae, Annie Christine. And here are these two fools. Quit slacking, Greg. And there's all the rest of the guys. So what's happening is they're pulling in the net from here. It's going all around, and that's the other side of the net that's being pulled by another set of guys.